Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use an AI writer in your Google Docs document. So as you have just seen, I have used ChatGPT to write me a blog post intro on how to make money with affiliate marketing, and I used this GPT for Sheets and Google Docs extension in my Google Docs document, and this extension has used this prompt to write me a blog post intro on how to make money with affiliate marketing. So as you can read here, are you looking for a way to make extra money online? Affiliate marketing is a great option that allows you to earn a commission by promoting products or services from other businesses. Alright, so how you can use this AI writer, and this is the original ChatGPT model in your Google Docs document. You have to install this GPT for Sheets and Docs add-on or plugin or extension or whatever name you use for extension in Google Docs. So first we have to connect this extension to a Google Docs document. So all we have to do is open up this Google Docs extension page called GPT for Sheets and Docs. I will also link it in the description below. As you can see, more than 2 million users have already downloaded and installed this extension on their Google Docs and Sheets. So you can be pretty confident that this is a reliable extension. So open up this page and click on install here. I have already done that. That's why I'm seeing uninstall here. And once you have installed the extension, first you're not going to see this sidebar here because you have to click on extensions here and select GPT for Sheets and Docs and select set API key, because to be able to use ChatGPT inside Google Docs, we have to set our API key. And if you are not familiar with OpenAI API keys, I have a tutorial on how to create a ChatGPT/OpenAI API key, which is necessary to be able to use this AI writer, this ChatGPT, in your Google Docs as an extension. So get your API key, and then all you have to do is basically paste it here. Then click on Save API Key, and as you can see, your API key is never stored on this application. And if we check out our API key by clicking on Set API Key, you can see that it won't be visible anymore. So even if you share this document, you don't have to worry that your API key will get leaked or anything like that. Alright, so once you have connected ChatGPT to Google Docs, if you click on the extensions GPT for Sheets and Docs, you can click on Launch, and this sidebar, this ChatGPT sidebar, will appear here. And you can use this GPT for Sheets and Docs as an AI writer. So you can select the action here. So you can use it to translate any text on your Google Docs document. You can use it to summarize something on your Google Docs document. You can use it to fix grammar and spelling, change the tone of writing. So if you want to change this, just enter like a happy tone, and ChatGPT AI writer will rewrite our blog post intro on how to make money with affiliate marketing using a happy tone. But you can also add custom prompts here by selecting write a custom prompt here. Let's see an example. So write me a listicle on how to make money with Bitcoin. And if you want to use a custom prompt, you can also just highlight the text you want to use as a ChatGPT prompt, then select or check this use selection or document as context, then click on submit here, and ChatGPT will write us a listicle on how to make money with Bitcoin. And here we are. As you can see, ChatGPT AI writer has given us this response: buy and hold, mining, trading, accept Bitcoin as payment, affiliate marketing, freelancing, investing in Bitcoin related companies. So this is a great listicle we can work with. You can also change the AI writer settings here. So you can also set up a custom behavior. So you can use the AI writer to write text as an academic researcher, as a copywriter, as a financial advisor, as an HR consultant, a marketing expert, and other roles as well, as you can see here. You can also change the underlying ChatGPT model that the AI writer is using. So you can change the model to GPT-4 if you want to do that. You can also change the temperature, which is basically the creativity of the model. And you can change also other settings here. If you are familiar with the OpenAI API, you will be able to change the settings here. Alright, so all in all, this is how to use an AI writer in your Google Docs document using ChatGPT and this GPT for Sheets and Docs Google Docs extension.